On 23rd August, Institute of Homeo Health Science and Education, Ayush Foundation NGO, organized an awareness program on health and education at Harlung Langso Kathar Ingti village, Angjok Pani, under Sochengthanta constituency. On this occasion, Dr. Bidya Singh Bey, Managing Director, Borsing Ingti, Village Headman, and Mutial Ingti, Village Headman, led the medicinal plant saplings plantation drive. The plantation drive covered several villages of the region, starting from PWD Road till the in-depth of the villages. This plantation drive was carried out to battle unceasing deforestation taking place at our district, which has endangered the naturally found medicinal plants in the region. Dr. Bidya Singh Bey, Managing Director of Homeo Health Science and Education, Ayush Foundation NGO, informed that the NGO is making an effort to aware its citizens the importance of preserving wild medicinal plants and trees and how one could be self-reliant using wild medicinal plants and trees as a source of remedies to various illness.
Checking hin partu du lapen ke ilitu malong thesere kumpong doana hormus tame ilitu malong labang so rong rubolong labang so ke cepat cepleng thuji hakko teng amang pa doi phansin litu pini labang so awareness bangke dawai rong ke ek sompon.
The event was successfully organized and as many as 50 participants volunteered at this work. News Desk report, Karbianglong Live.